Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to cover comments on Microsoft Word. So as you're working through your document, I'm sure you can think of all sorts of use cases why you would want to add comments. Maybe you're conducting research and you want to verify a source. Maybe you didn't like the way that you finished a paragraph, or maybe you had to double check something. All you got to do is add a comment, so that way when you come back to your document, you're not trying to remember, oh, I was supposed to do something different on this paragraph. You don't remember what it was. This way you can just leave comments right within your document and you have them right there to refer back to. So all you got to do is highlight the section or the word that you want to leave a comment next to. And let's go ahead and highlight this whole first paragraph. If you come over to the review tab on your ribbon, you can click on new comment and you can go ahead and mention others if you need to, or you can just leave a comment for yourself, and we'll just say, double check the sourcing. Okay, and then we'll hit that, and now you can see that we have a comment available to us. If we hit the pencil icon, we can go ahead and edit it if we need to. We can go ahead and add a like button to it, or a like to it. We can add an additional comment to it. If you click on the ellipsis, we also have an option to link to this comment. You can resolve the thread, or you can delete it. So those are the options available to you for your comment. And if you come over here and you know you left comments, but you're not seeing it, it might be because you don't have these show comments enabled. So if you just click on this, pretend I didn't have it on, and I'm like, oop, I have comments, but I don't see them. All I have to do is click on this, and now the comments are going to show up here on the right.